Good morning, good evening, good afternoon to everyone, to wherever you're watching me. This is Edith Curtis. I want to first of all introduce to you this YouTube channel. We shall be talking about various village life things. I'll not be specific that this or that. We shall talk about different variety. We can talk about medication. We can talk about foods that you had forgotten for very many years that you just find on your plate and you're like, oh, kumbe they are there. They actually still exist, but you find them after a big process that you cannot even understand them. So today I've come with the medication herbals that we had forgotten, that after very many years, very many things have actually fade away in an image of new era, turn life. You can handle that. So I'm bringing to you new medication that actually most of the times we find them in our compounds, but just because we do not know them, we are unable getting them. And most of the times they have their effectiveness occurs in a short period of time, and if I get to explain more about them, you never know, they might be of a great use to yourself and to your family, to your friends. You direct people to certain medications and all that. So today I'll not say very much, but you please follow, you subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos that are upcoming that might be useful to you. Today we shall talk about various medications. For now, let us talk about this. This is what we call Muchula. I don't know whether some Bagandas or other tribes, according to each tribe, you might have a name for it, but in Uganda they call it Muchula. I've not gotten time to know it in Toro, but I'll know its name very soon. I'll come and tell you its name in Toro. So this I'm holding right now, it's Muchula, but you can also call it collard green in English. Yeah, collard green. Yeah, so collard green, this is a medication that is used to treat various diseases that we always get in daily life. There are diseases that is each quarter in a short period of time, and this is the medication that we can use, that we can have in our daily life, because it is not expensive. You can have it in your compound, you can have it in your friend's compound, your parents' compound, you understand? So it can be of a great use. So before telling you it's the one how it does, how it treats its diseases, we can talk. Let us first of all talk about how we use it. So we get it from a tree. Still we can call it Muchula tree. You understand? I'm not a Mzungu. So we can get it from a certain tree. We pluck out leaves as you're seeing I'm doing, because I had not told you. I've told my friends on TikTok. I'm having a friend who is sick. She's having fever, so I thought this could be a greater idea for her sickness for now. So we pluck out these leaves as you're seeing, like this, like this, like this. So we dry it. As you're seeing, this is a cement. This one is a cement. Many of you do not know why we dry them on a cement. The reason is just one. When we put them under sunshine, that sunshine, it actually brings out the nutrients in these leaves. I don't know whether you understand. So after bringing out the nutrients out of these leaves, you might find it not so effective as it would have been drying it on this cement. So it will just wilt, and after some time dry up for that more effective should I say healness? So it will bring out a sharp, still healness. So you'll get better in a short period of time. So after drying it down on your cement, put it down, there is that coldness on the cement. So after some time it will wilt out. After wilting out, it will dry out. Then after drying out, you pound it into powder. Then you put it in what? In your warm water, then you drink it. Now, what are the diseases that it treats? It treats various diseases. One, it is that common one that we always get. You can be there in the morning, morning fever, morning what? Fever everywhere. So this is the best medication. Yes, I'm not mistaken. It's the best best medication, because it does better. Actually, I know why. This herbal medication, by the way, on a serious note, so this herbal medicine does not have that much side effects, as you know. You might take this capsule and it does that capsule, it might expand, and because so this herbal medicine, I think it should be our number one priority when it comes to our sickness. So this Muchula, first of all, it treats fever, it treats malaria, those digestive disorders. Your stomach is aching, you're having ulcers, you're having you do not get well. I don't know that it is coming out in its right well, but that long call, so it helps in various things.